I still wonder how many people still go and join queues just to buy prepaid credits for their meters so that they can get light in the house. Whilst there are two solid options that you can use to buy prepaid for yourself without you going to any vendor or without you going to any shop for them to buy it for you. You can either use the short code or you can use the power app. Now, the advantage of you using the power app is that when you use the power app, you are not going to enter the meter number again because it's going to be saved in the app. But when you use the short code, you can be entering it every day like that. So if you use YAM, I'll refer you to the short code. And if you use a smartphone, I think you have to get the ECG power app. Now, if you have the ECG power app, it's very easier for you to buy your prepaid credits. You can buy prepaid credits on your ECG power app and get it in minutes. You just take the token from them, then you enter it into your meter. That's all. You have the light. Or sometimes when you even buy, it even goes into the meter directly. So if you have some small amount of light on the meter already and you buy, you don't need to even enter the token again because it will go by itself. But I wonder why people don't know. Last time I saw people queuing up looking for prepaid in Ashaiman, and I was like, is it that these people are ignorant or they just don't have the information? Today, I decided to create a video about how to buy your prepaid on your mobile phone without anybody assisting you. Without further ado, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's go to my phone for me to show you how this works.
So on your smartphone, click on the search button, go to App Store or Play Store and click on the search button and search for ECG Power App. So if you search for ECG Power App, this one, the one on top is the one you're going to download. So as you can see, I've opened mine. So if I click on meters, all the meters that I've added are here. Now if I want to buy prepaid for my home, I just click on buy credit, then I enter the amount, which is 10 cedis. Click on it, it will load. Now here you can pay with your bank app, you can pay with a check, and you can pay with cash, but I don't know how they take the cash. So I will just click on Julius. You can see it's a Momo number, then I just click on it, then I confirm, then they will send me the prompt for me to enter my Momo pin, then I buy. Someone will ask, how will I add the payment method? That one, I think you come to wallet, then you click on add mobile money wallet or bank card. So which one you prefer, you add it. And you can also pay small. That one, they will take your Ghana card information, then they'll be giving you the credits, then you'll be paying small. I have not done that before, so I'm not in a good position to tell you that. And whenever you buy prepaid and it doesn't come to, the money will be refunded for you. But when they refund it, it will not come into your mobile money account. It will come here where you are seeing the verify your Ghana card, the power app balance. That's where it will come. So when it comes there, you can.
Thank you for watching the video to the very end. My name is Julius. This is the Julius Hub. If you have not liked this video, make sure you like it. Then you subscribe to the channel. If you're on TikTok, then you follow me. Again, I'm Julius, and I'm out.